Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you've never seen these before, this is a great alternative to your dumbbell workouts. These are some weighted bars. These are from Polyfit, and I find that they give you such a great variety in your arm exercises without using traditional dumbbells. So each of these is 3.3 pounds, and they're really well coated with a silicone coating. You can hardly tell that there's any metal inside, and that silicone is so smooth and so easy to grip onto. They include indentation so that you can easily grip onto them, and I find that for using them in my Pilates workouts and for bar workouts, you really get such a different type of workout with these. These are perfect also for walking or for carrying with you if you're going to the studio or to the gym. They include a mesh bag that you can easily put them in so they don't get lost in your bag. I really was intrigued because I've never used these before, but I am really impressed with how different that they feel in workouts. They're easy to use whether you're doing some standing exercises with them or if you're using them for your floor exercises. If you get irritated skin or calluses on your hands from traditional dumbbells, these are a really great option and the way to go. They're well made and they're easy to use and they're very pretty as well. But that's just my point of view.